It's going to be mild, but then it's going to get more seasonable, actually, as we head toward the weekend. For now, though, Storm Tracker 6 Live double scan, pretty nice out there. Temperature's not too bad. You'll see that in a minute, but we're dry. And as we take a look outside, we have Sky 6. There's the Ben Franklin Bridge. Very easy to see this morning because any cloud cover out there is high and in the process of thinning out. And it does look like we're going to transition to lots of sun overall today. 42 degrees is your current temperature in Philadelphia. We've seen worse. In fact, we've seen worse on a couple of recent mornings, so this isn't too bad. And also a good sign here, the wind's much lighter, not too blustery or gusty, and currently just 9 miles per hour in Philadelphia. A couple of spots up to about 15 miles per hour, but in any event, not as strong a wind as we've had the last couple of days. And there you see cloud cover really starting to show some holes over South Jersey and in and around Philadelphia. Notice how the back edge of that cloud line is pushing up from Washington over the last couple of hours. And again, these clouds should evaporate pretty quickly, and we should transition to mostly sunny skies. I think pretty much in a hurry this morning. 39 degrees is your 8 o'clock temperature. By 10 o'clock, 43. By noon, 48. Really starting to feel comfortable as we get into the afternoon, at least for this time of year. And by 3 o'clock, we get a high of 53 degrees. A little breezy out there, but you know, a lot of sunshine, which is really what a lot of you have been pining for, I think, and a little bit milder to boot, which is always an added attraction in January. 48 degrees by 6 o'clock. Here are your high temperatures today across the region. Most of these hitting around 2:30 to 3:30, somewhere in there. 48 degrees in Allentown, 49 in Reading, 51 in Trenton, 52 in Wilmington, 52 in Millville, and a high getting up to about 50 down the shore, which is also not too shabby. Now, later this evening, we do have a weak feature coming in that's going to bring the clouds back in, and between 8, 11 o'clock and beyond, a couple of you are going to see a little passing sprinkle or light shower. It's not going to be a big deal, but could be enough to maybe make the roads a little bit wet. And then speaking of which, tomorrow morning, early anyway, there is the chance of some additional showers. Model wants this mostly in South Jersey and Delaware, but we'll all allow for that. Karen and I will be tracking this for you tomorrow morning, and it doesn't look like it's going to last all that much longer. Then in the afternoon tomorrow, it's mild again with a high of 56. More of a clouds and sun mix, though, and the winds pick up tomorrow. And then changes, as you'll see in the 7-day. 53 is today's high, tomorrow 56. Couple of mild days. Tomorrow maybe a shower in the morning, getting windier as the day goes on. Then brisk and getting cooler on Friday. 45 is the high. And for the weekend, we're still looking at that cool down, brisk and colder on Saturday, starting out with a morning low around 30, only getting up to 39. A little brisk. And then Sunday, partly sunny and chilly. Might even be a snow shower around in a couple of neighborhoods later Sunday night. And staying in the 30s on Monday and Tuesday. So, Tam, as you mentioned, the change is coming, but let's not worry about that right now.
Yeah.
We'll just enjoy today.
Right.
All right. Thank you.